Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change jersey in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Event, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. Here in the bottom, you're going to find some sections like My Team, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and lastly Sets. So in order to change your jersey, go ahead and click on My Team. And then from here, you're going to find all of your active players. You can click on any players and you can see the informations related to this player. And here in the bottom, you can switch the player with those players that are in the bottom. So we're going to go back to my lineups. Right here in the left, you're going to find your active boosts. And in the bottom left, you're going to find the court. And you're going to find your home jersey and also your away jersey. In order to change your jersey, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to find yourself right here. As you can see, guys, this is my home jersey and my away jersey. If you click on it, you're going to see the name of the jersey right here. And in the bottom, you're going to find all of your jerseys. As you can see, guys, I don't have any jerseys. That's why I have this message saying you have no jersey items. If you want to see which jerseys that you have, go back and then go to the top. We're going to find a button saying view all items. Go ahead and click on it. And then click on jerseys. And right here, you're going to find all of your jerseys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.